How to fix Instagram limit problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here on this page, you will find all the apps. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it. Now, when you click on the Instagram app, all what you want to do next is click on this first stop right here and then go down into the data usage, click on it and make sure that all those options are enabled like this, and then you have to disable the roaming data and then go back again, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click delete. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much.